Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And this is May 1st, and it is Mini Kit Monday challenge and kit reveal for May 2023. And we have provided 3 different tic-tac-toe boards that you may select from. You can use all 3, you can use 2, or you can use 1. Each of them has a theme. So the first one is Mother's Day. The next one is Father's Day. And then the next one is Spring. All right, without further ado, let's look at what Miss Dolly selected to create 4 layouts in the month of May. Yes, we have 5 Mondays, which means the first Monday, which is the 1st of May, is the kit and challenge reveal. And then the following Mondays, I'm to bring to you 4 layouts that I have completed. And if you would like to play along, we would love to see what you've created. So we do want you to play along. What you need to do is snap a photograph of your kit, upload it to the May 2023 album, and each layout that you have completed. Let me show you the kit. These kits, Miss Dolly didn't put a whole lot of thought into them because they are unfinished kits that are laying around in my scrappy room. And this one is from Close to My Heart, Daisy Collection. I have 2 photographs that I wanted to use this kit to document these memories. And this is my brother and sister-in-law on my sister-in-law side of the family. And then this one is a photograph of the Blue Ridge Bridge, one of them. And so anyway, I took this photograph in 2021, and I had this little card that I could place photographs, and it sat in my office. And I thought, well, what better use than to take these and document them in my scrapbook. So I don't know which one I will use to create a layout. Oh, and I forgot to tell you which tic-tac-toe board I am using. And I am using the spring one, and I'm using the middle row. And it says use green, use something happy. So you don't have to use the word happy, but you can. But it says use something happy. And then use a sketch or scrap lift someone, and be sure that we tell you who that we're going to scrap lift. I have not found the sketch yet, but when I create the layout, I will reveal that. So I have this kit already put together. I have some die cut pieces, and this says happy birthday on it. So it does have the word happy. I have some Close to My Heart dots in green. There's Z4631. And if you don't know it already, I am a Close to My Heart maker consultant. So if you don't have one and you would like to come check out Close to My Heart, I would love for you to shop through me to help support my channel. So we have leftover sticker sheet here, and cardstock papers and pattern papers. Lots of cardstock. I used the spring tic-tac-toe board as my challenge. Now this next kit is the one that I did put together. It wasn't already together. And I have a combination of several items here. So let's just go through the paper first. I have a black cardstock paper. I have this scrap paper from a new collection from Close to My Heart called Hey Handsome. I had to remember. And so that's where this scrap paper came from. This scrap paper is from Crate Paper. The collection was called Journey, and it's from 2014. It's 9 years old. And then I have this paper that is a 12 by 12, and it is from Close to My Heart, and it's from the Timber collection, and this was released in 2020, and I chose it for the wood grain. So we have these as my scrap paper, and then I have a scrap paper of, I think this is toffee, and as you know, Close to My Heart cardstock paper has two sides, a darker and a lighter. So that's a scrap paper. And then my embellishments here are from the Crepe Paper Journey collection. So we have some of those die cut pieces, and then a journaling card, and a photograph of my father and my uncle from 1983. And the tic-tac-toe board that I chose was Father's Day. And which row did I pick? I picked the center going up and down. And it says, a story about your father, something masculine, and use the word tough. So I do have to bring in alphas when I start creating this layout to spell out the word tough. And I thought this was a fitting photograph. It is my dad and my uncle deer hunting. All right, for this next kit, which would be kit 3, I am using the Mother's Day tic-tac-toe board, and I am going diagonally across from the upper left-hand corner down. So I'm using flowers, something that sparkles, and stamps. So here, the stamps right up top. So this is the stamp and thin cuts from Close to My Heart called Summer Vibes. It's Z3742. I selected it for this drink. Plus we have this other word phrase here that I may use, and I may use these bubbles, who knows. And this word phrase, can we chill together soon? I have this scrap paper from Close to My Heart. But anyway, it's a scrap paper. I have this scrap zip strip from Becky Sweet Rush, and it's got the limes on it. We have this scrap paper. I don't know what collection. I have this cardstock from Close to My Heart, two sides. It's alphas here from October Afternoon. Then I have these bright green ones, and they're probably American Crafts. I don't know what collection. I have another scrap paper here from Close to My Heart, and it has that vinyl inlay on one side and then just the cardstock, and this is in Lagoon. Then we have a 12 by 12 sheet from 49 and Market, and it is what collection? Spectrum Sherbert collection. I chose it for the side. So that's my papers, my alphas. Let me show you what I have for my memory and some die cuts that I pre-selected. So for my sparkles, I'm sorry if you hear my dog, I have glitter gems. I have these flower acrylic pieces. There's 3 of them right there. I have this heart, and I'm going to have to pause the video. I'm sorry, to see what's going on with my dogs. Okay, I'm back. Trying to remember where we're at. Okay, so we have gems from Close to My Heart. I have these 3 flower acrylic pieces that sparkle. I have this heart that is a glitter heart that's gold. I have a die cut piece of a succulent. I have this little box square. I have this word. This was cut out from a 12 by 12 paper, and it says destination. Then we have a tag. We have another little block. We have a frame. I have these tags. It says jet set, relax, hello. And then I have the butterfly. I have this other like library card that is organic. It's been torn. And then I have a photograph. And this photograph is of our first drinks in Hawaii. Yes. Now, for kit number 4, this was leftover kit from Close to My Heart Wild Berry Blast. It was already put together like this, and not the photograph, but just like this. And then I selected my photograph, and the theme I'm using again, or the tic-tac board I'm using, is the Mother Day theme 1. And we are using which row? We're using the first row going straight down, and it says on the left-hand side, says use flowers, use any shade of pink, and date night. And that's why I selected this leftover kit that's been sitting in my stash. I documented a lot of memories of my oldest granddaughter using this kit. And I think I might have did some of my youngest granddaughter. Anyhow, this is what I have left. So for my shades of pink, you can see there is all kinds of shades of bright pink in here. And then I have some stuff left over from the cardstock kit. And then I have enamel dots and jewels. And I have the die cuts from the Wild Berry Blast collection. Then from the Daisy Daisy collection, I had the die cut that makes these awesome flowers, and I did this off camera already, and we have 3 different shades of pink flowers. And then the memory I am documenting is a date night with my husband, and we went. Those are all 4 kits. And now you need to give me a thumbs up to bring traffic to my channel. Let YouTube know that you like seeing scrapbooking videos, because that will help inspire people that you and I don't know that are looking for inspiration. We would love for you to be a member of our Facebook group site if you are not already. And we most definitely want you to get out your scrappy supplies, document those memories in a fun, creative way, and upload a photograph of those completed layouts so that we can be inspired by your creation. All right, be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I will have the link listed below in the description box. Until next time, scrapbook those memories. Be sure to tell your story. We'll see you next time. Bye.